Hello, I'm Natalia Wagemans from the Nestlé Nutrition Institute Workshop 93, where we discussed already third day global landscape of nutrition challenges in nutrition. Today we have a session which maybe you would not expect from the Nestlé Nutrition Institute, because we are going to talk about environmental factors and its role and influencing on nutrition and growth of children. The head of the session today, Professor Andrew Prentice, who is head of nutrition team at Medical Research Council at the Gambia and the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine. I will give you just a brief overview about this session today, and I hope you will have time to look at that. The first presentation will be given by Andrew Prentice on environmental and physiological barriers to child growth and development. Then gut microbiota and child malnutrition will be presented by Ruairi Robertson. After coffee break, we will hear a very interesting presentation on epigenetics, intergenerational influence on child development with Matt Silver. And the last presentation for the workshop and for the day will be the WASH benefits Bangladesh, WASH benefits Kenya, and SHINE trial in all these countries. Stay with us, listen to the presentation, and if you have no time to do that online, you will have a possibility to see that on the links on demand on the Nestlé Nutrition Institute website. Thank you very much, and stay with us.